Are you a decision maker? Do you prepare strategies? Monitor KPIs? Or present in audit committees? Where you have an open-ended problem? No one loves data which is not presentable. Are you struggling to arrive at conclusions? Is it time-consuming? Must have heard of dashboards. Gone are the days when data was static. When business functions speak to each other and are interactive, our dashboard should also be the same. We present to you StairFirst Interactive Dashboarding Solutions. Be ready to feel the magic. Click on a button and everything changes. It is nearer to real time. Provides a realistic picture. Easy to use. Easy to interpret in seconds. Even if your data is complex or simple. Even if your problem is complex or standard. Even if data is stored in the host server or client server. Or in simply in Excel. And, of course, don't worry, we ensure data privacy. Go ahead, make an impression. Give your audience what they want, not what you feel. Let your data speak. Give us a call for a quick demo, or write to us on the email ID helpdesk@stairfirst.com. We would love to hear back from you. StairFirst, a step towards your dream.